Hey gamers, welcome back. Want to create an auto-click macro in Logitech G Hub for your mouse or keyboard? Well, I've got the simplest steps to set up rapid clicks for games or tasks. Let's automate those clicks. So first, of course, you need to go ahead and download the Logitech G Hub from the official website. So Logitech G Hub, like that. So you go here and grab this application, as you can see, the one for Windows. Right, let us continue. Alright, after installing it, you need to connect to your Logitech device, like G502 mouse, for example. Open G Hub, your device appears on the dashboard. Click it to enter customization mode. We'll use the macros section to build an auto-clicker, super easy. After that, my friends, go to the assignments tab, then click on macros on the left. Hit create new macro, name it auto-click, and select toggle for repeat while held. Click the plus icon to add actions, choose mouse left click, click delay, right click, then select insert delay, set 10 milliseconds. Repeat, another left click, then 10 milliseconds delay. Unchecked use standard delay for speed, and then save it. Alright, now back in assignments, drag your auto-click macro to a button like G5 on your mouse or G key on your keyboard. Save to your device's onboard memory if you want it portable, and then test in a game or click test. Hold the button for rapid clicks. Slow, edit the macro, drop delays to 1 millisecond, for example. Reddit says this hits 60 plus CPS. And that's pretty much it, guys. Your auto-click macro is rocking in G Hub. Tweak delays for speed or game needs. Love this, smash that like and subscribe. Also comment your clicks per second below. See you in the next one, click away.